Bonjour. Today we're going to learn numbers 60 to 100. Before we go straight into that, I'd like to just review with you guys really quickly. Let's do our 0 to 10, and we'll do our teens, and then we'll go 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, and then I can give you guys the new numbers. So les numéros 0 à 10. So we have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, sorry, stuff in the way. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 et 10. Okay, so that's 1 through 10. Now let's do 11 through 19. So we'll start here. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, et 19. Oh, désolé. Voilà. Okay. So there's your 11 through 19. And from here on out, as long as you know the 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, and 90, everything else is basically just an adding kind of a game, right? So let's go over here. And we have, 20 is 20, right? And if I wanted to say 21, I would just do 21. Okay? So now it's just 20 plus 1 and 20 plus 2. As long as you know your 1 through 19, then you should be good. Then we have 30, 40, 50, and 60. I'm going to go ahead and just continue down with 60 and 70. 60 and 70 are really similar, and 80 and 90 are really similar. The difference is going to be using single numbers and, like 1 through 10 number, and then using the 19 number. So that'll make sense in a second. So 60. Okay, so just like we've done in all the ones previous, you just go 60, and then what you're going to do is you're just going to add the 1. Et un. Okay, 62, 62, 60 plus 2. Okay, and that pattern is going to go throughout the 60. 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, and then the way to make 70 is going to be 60 plus 10. So then 70 is 70. And then you're going to follow the pattern into the teens, okay? So it's 60 plus 10 makes 70, right? Well, 60 plus 11 would make 71. So then you would go 71. 70 plus, or 60 plus 12 would make 72, 72. Okay, you see you're going to follow that pattern all the way down. 73 would be 73. '74, 74. So it's all kind of an adding game. Kind of gets very mathematical. The French get very mathematical with their numbers. 75. Okay, and I don't need to finish that because you guys can. 76, 76, 77, 77, 78, 78, 79, 79, okay? Now, let's do our 80 and our 90. 80 and 90 are just like your 60 and 70 in that 80 is going to follow 1 through 10 and 90 is going to follow 11 through 19. So here's 80 and here's 90, okay? Now what they do is they do 4 times 20, okay? So 4 is what? 4 times 20 is 20. So they do 80. And here they do 4 times 20 plus 10, 90. Okay? So you have 80, oh sorry, I missed an S there, 80 and then 90. So you have 4 times 20, which is 80, and then 4 times 20 plus 10, which is 90. Okay? And then like I said, they follow the pattern. So 81 would be 81. 91 would be 4 times 20 plus 11, 91. Okay. 82, 82. 92, 92. Okay, and like I said, you would follow that all the way down. Same pattern. So you'd have 83, 83, 84, 84, okay? 93, 93, all the way down. And then 99 is a really fun one. 99 is really long. 99. It's a long one. Okay, so if you get the pattern down, if you know 1 through 19, you're really set for the rest. If you know 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, just that base number, then you should be fine in continuing and doing all of your numbers. So make sure you get these notes down. You can continue to fill out 83 through 89 and 93 to 99 if you want to. It follows the same pattern, so it's not necessary. And then let me give you 100 really quick. 100 is salt. So there you go. You guys will do some practice on this. We'll probably play bingo. Let me know if you have any questions. Au revoir.